Hello student, in this video we will be know about the Cucurbitaceae family of previously you are known about the Annonaceae family. Now the second type of family is Cucurbitaceae. The systematic position of Cucurbitaceae, class Dicotyledons, subclass Polypetalae, series Thalamiflorae, order Falciflores. So this family is popularly known as the God family. It is the sixth family of the order of Falciflores. The many members of this family are utilized as a vegetables. Some of the common plants are Cucurbita pepo, Cucurbita, Cucumis sativus, Coccinia indica, Mammalica carentia. So these are some common plants of Cucurbitaceae. This family about 100 genera and 8 species. The members of these families are widely distributed in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. Few species are found in cold temperature climates. Example, Zipneria, Bisvaria. These are the plants are found in cold temperate climate. In India, these families represented about 86 species. First, the vegetative character of the in this family, the plants are herbaceous annuals or perennials. They are mostly tendril climber, rarely prostrate or trailing plants. Roots are arise from branched or taproot system. The stem is herbaceous, usually climbing, fistular and 5 ridged. It is a glabrous that is covered with multicellular hairs. The leaves are simple, alternate, extubulate and palmately lobed. The petiole is a long and leaf base is cordate. There are various opinions regarding about the morphology of tendrils in Cucurbitaceae. Engler stated that the tendril is modified stipule as the stipule seen in Muller concluded that the lower part of the tendril is modified stem and twin part is leaf. So these are some opinion about the tendril. All characteristics features of this family. Inflorescence is usually axillary, solitary, cyme type. Sometimes male flowers are found in racemes, cymes or panicles. So flowers are unisexual, ectomorphic, regular, epigynous and incomplete. So there are unisexual means there are two different flowers are present separately, that is male flower and female flower. So male flower may be found along with the female flower in the same plant in loofah or in separate plant. They are produced in large numbers. First, the calyx is campulate. It consists of 5 fused sepals, imbricate or valvate estivation. Corolla is consists of 5 petals, gamopetalous. The petals are free in loofah, may be white or yellow in color. Estivation, valvate or imbricate. Androecium, that is stamen found in the male flower alone. They remain staminode in the female flowers. The stamens are in 5 in number and inserted on the calyx tube. The pistil are altogether absent. However, pistillate may be seen in some flowers. The female flowers are produced in the same plant along with the male flowers, that is monoecious nature, or in separate plant, that is dioecious. They are usually fewer in number. Next, the calyx is 5 fused sepals, chemosepals, imbricate or valvate estivation. Corolla 5 fused petals, that is chemosepalous. It is inserted on the calyx tube. Estivation it may be valvate or imbricate. Androecium, that is stamens are absent. However, some flower maybe have staminodes because this is female flower. Gynoecium 5 fused carpels, syncarpus. Ovary is tricolor or unicolor. There are numerous ovules on 3 parietal placenta. The placenta is often bifurcating. The style is simple and apical. The fruit type is pepo, as there is a succulent berry with a hard ring. The seeds are dicotyledonous, non-endospermic. Pollination is carried by insects. Some of the economic importance of this family, are it provides vegetable, fruits, medicine, and other things. As a vegetables, some of the plants are Cucurbita maxima, Cucurbita moscata, Cucurbita pepo, Lupha cylindrica, Memodica cardentia, Cucumis sadavis, Citrullus vulgaris, Coccinia cardifloria. These are some vegetable plants. As a fruits, Cucurbitacea melo, then Citrullus vulgaris, Citrullus coleosis. These are the plants as used as a fruits. As a medicine, Cucurbita maxima, Momocardia cardentia, Citrullus colocynthis. These are as used as a medicine. This is all about the Cucurbitaceae family distribution, floral vegetative character, and finally economic importance. Thank you.